Downloading your account data from Facebook is a straightforward process that allows you to keep a record of your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Before changing your settings, use the Sherlock.com link in the description to open the password string checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to your Facebook information. In the left sidebar, find and click on your Facebook information. This section contains various options related to your account data. Step 4. Download your information. Look for the option labeled Download your information. Click on it to proceed. You will be directed to a page where you can select the data you want to download. Step 5. Choose data and request download. Select the specific data types you wish to download, such as posts, photos, messages, etc., and choose the date range and format. Once you have made your selections, click on Create File to request the download. After following these steps, Facebook will prepare your data file. You will receive a notification when it is ready for download.